The Brady S3100 and BBP31 sign-in label printers feature an easy-to-navigate touchscreen. This is the home screen you'll see after you power up the printer. You can immediately start creating a custom label by simply typing or touching here. It's important to note that this text box on the home page will automatically adjust in color to reflect the installed material. So if you're working with a roll of yellow material, don't be surprised when this area of the screen turns yellow. It's a great feature to help you accurately design your label. You can also select one of these icons at the bottom of the screen. You can begin to work from either a pre-built template or design one of your own. By selecting more label types, you'll be guided to several more pre-existing label types to choose from. When you navigate back to the home screen, at the bottom left of the screen is what we like to call the material gas gauge. It'll give you an indication of how much material you have left. In the center of the screen, you'll see a quick reference to the size of the material currently in the printer, as well as whether you've set it to fixed or auto length. On the lower right of the screen, you'll also see that there's a gauge for the amount of ribbon that's remaining. And if you see this icon here on the screen right next to that gauge, it's simply telling you that the caps lock is engaged. If you're ever away from the home screen at any time and you need to get back, you can jump right back to it by tapping this icon in the upper left. At the top center of the home screen is the menu button. From there you can access some advanced settings like system setup, file importing, and language options. The final button on the home screen is in the upper right, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can hit it to print the label you designed at any time.